You've probably seen heat maps before. They're colorful ways to demonstrate rainfall totals or crime statistics by region, by state, by county, by city, etc. But did you know that you can easily create a heat map using Microsoft Excel? Let's start with some data. I have listed here states and rainfall in inches. We go to the Insert tab and we find the Tours group. You will automatically find this in Office 365, but in Microsoft Office 2013, you might have to install and then add in the program. And also, the first time you use it, it might ask you to install the add-in, and you just tell it yes. We've already put in the add-in, and I'll click the drop down, and I'll click Launch Power Map. And the first thing I'll use is our geography, or the first step is choosing the geography. And it automatically recognized the state name. If it didn't, we would change it here. The title of my column was state, and in the drop down, I would choose whether what I put in the column was a street, a postal code, a full address, etc. But Excel already figured out that it's actually a state or province, and I'll leave it as is, and I'll click next. And now for the data, I'll choose the inches. So I'm going to choose this information on the end. And now notice the darker blue is the heavier rainfall and the lighter blue is the lighter rainfall. And we can see our legend here. As it gets darker, it means the rainfall is higher. That was a quick overview of how Power Maps works in Excel. In later lessons, we will demonstrate some more advanced features.